Hello everyone, welcome to Life at SPAL. Today we're gonna do about the IGCSE Paper 2 Extended May 2022, question 16 to question 22. Okay, let's start. Okay, number 16. The Venn diagram shows the number of the students in a class of 40 who study physics. This one who study physics, math, and geography. So this is a Venn diagrams. Show like inside the number inside is a number of the student who learn in each subject. So they said use the set notations to describe the change regions. So actually we want this one, right? We want this, right? But not including this part. Right? This one is we want. So it means this part that we want to find, right? Okay, look. This one is M union G, mathematics union geography, right? But intersect with, look at it, we don't want this part, right? So we need to intersect with P primes. It's not including P. Okay, try to do. So it's M union G here, right? And intersect with what is P primes. It's not P. So this part is not what is not P. This one is not P. Including outside is not P. So look. So it means this part, it's because in intersections, right? So the answer is this part. And then find the number of P intersect G. The number of P intersect G union with M prime. So P intersect G, which part? This part, right? P intersect G, this part, right? So the number of P intersect G equal to 12, right? Isn't it? Okay, so we need to find this one first. So P intersect G equal to 3 and 9, right? So this part and this part. So what is M prime? M prime is not M, right? It's not M. What is not M? It's 4, 3, and 6, right? Isn't it? So this one we plus this. It's 3 plus 9 plus 4 plus 6. So the answer is 22 students. Okay, if you want to change P intersect G here, right? And union with not M. This one is outside, it's not M. This is not M. Right? So what it means? This one. This plus this and plus this. So it will be 22. So next question, the student chosen random from student studying geography. So we need to find the number of students in geography first. Number of students who learn to study geography is 3 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6. So how many students? 3 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6. 3 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6 is 23. So find the probability that the student who study physics or math, but not both. So we need to find the student who study only physics and geography and math and geography. So it will be okay. Look at it, this one and this one, right? So have the 8 students who study physics or math. So it will be 8 students, right? So the answer probability of physics or math, right, from the geography student who's studying geography, it's 8 over 23. This is the answer. So the answer of like the question 16C, it's 8 over 23. Number 17, sketch the graph of y equal to sine x. So graph sine x from 0 to 360, right? It is 90, 180, 270, and okay, sorry, 90, 180. It's not on scale. Like this. Okay, so we start from the sine graph. We start with 0, right? 90 is 1, 0, minus 1. This is graph sine. Y equal to sine x. So next, solve the equation 3 sine x plus 1 equal to 0. 3 sine x plus 1 equal to 0. So they ask you to solve. It means they ask you to find possible value of x. So 3 sine x equal to minus 1. So sine x equal to minus 1 over 3. So if you want to find x, you need to use minus 1 over 3. So x, what is x? X, okay, we use calculator. Function sine minus 1 over 3 is minus 19.47, right? But actually, okay, this is the graph. This is from the unit circle. This is function sine cos, right? So the first angle is 180. 180 subtract 19.47. 180 minus and minus 19.47. So it will be 180 plus 19.47. So it's 199.47. This is the first angle. So the next one. Look at it. Okay, the next one, we will find the next answer from like the last quarter, right? In this part. This is function all, sine, cos, and tan. So next is 360 minus, this one is 360 minus the first angle, 19.47 is 340.53. Okay, y is not in all and sines. Y in cos and tan. Look, this one, the value of x. Look at it. The angle of x is a negative, right? Okay, can we move to this one? Negative 1.3 is around here, right? So look at it. Your answer is on like the third quarter and the fourth quarter, right? So this one function, or you can find the value of the angle in this sine cos tan in this one. This one is for function sine. This is 0, 90, 180, 270. If you want to find anything in sine, in the sine function, it's 180 minus the first angle. This one is 180 plus the first angle, and this one is 360 subtract with the first angle. Okay, number 18. Y is directly proportional to the cube root of x plus 1. So when x equal to 7, y equal to 1. So they ask you to find the value of y when x is 1 to 4. So y is directly proportional with cube root of x plus 1. So we change the proportional symbol to equal, but you need to take like the constant value, k, time with cube root of x plus 1. So look at it. They give you information to find the value of k first. And then we substitute 7 and 1. X is 7 and y is 1 equal to k. A cube root of x is 7, it's 8, right? So the cube root of 8 is 2. K times 2. So what it means? It means k equal to, what is k? K equal to 1 over 2, right? Isn't it? And then now we got the value of k. So look at this one. So now we have a function y equal to k, but k is 1/2 the cube root of x plus 1, right? So y equal to 1/2. We substitute x by 1, 2, 4 plus 1. So the cube root of 1 to 5 is 5, right? Y equal to 1/2 times 5. So y equal to 2.5. This is the answer. So the answer of this question is 2.5. So next B, f is inversely proportional to square of d. So explain what happens of f when d is half. So it will be multiplied by 4, right? So look, okay, proof. Y is inversely proportional. F is inversely proportional to the square of d is d squared, right? So f equal to k over d squared. Look at it. If f increase, right? What happened of f when d is a half? So you decrease this 1/2, but this one is a square, right? So this one you need to, this one f is inversely proportional. Inversely proportional means if one thing increase, the other one will decrease, right? So they said when d is a half of them. So what happened with f? So f will double, right? And double. So multiplying, but because this one is d squared, not just only d. If it's just 1d, f will increase double, right? But this is d squared. That's why f will multiply by 4. It's 4 times. So number 19. This is a functions topic. Find the inverse functions of x. So normally the functions we write in terms of fx equal to something, right? So we suppose fx is same as y. So we can write in y equal to 7x minus 8. So in the normally in the functions, y is a subject, right? For the inverse function, we will change x to be the subject. So we rearrange equation. So y plus 8 equal to 7x. So x equal to y plus 8 over 7. So we change x to write in terms of the inverse functions and change y to be x. X plus 8 over 7. So the answer is x plus 8 over 7. Next, find the value of x when hx equal to d 1 over 3. Okay, we'll do like step by step. So the first step we will find the value of g 1 over 3 first. This one is we call evaluating functions by substitute 1 over 3 in every x in that function. Okay, so now the functions of gx equal to 4 over x plus 5, right? And g1 over 3 equal to 4, and we substitute x by 1 over 3, right? So g1 over 3 equal to 12 plus 5, right? So g of 1 over 3 equal to 17, right? And then there's a hx equal to, so if this one equal to this one. So what does it mean? It means hx, right, equal to g of 1 over 3 is 17, right? And then hx is 2 to power x plus 1 exponential function. So 2x equal to 16. So now this one is the exponential function, right? So we need to use the property of exponential to solve this question. So look at it, we need to convert 16 to be base 2. So 16 equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? It's equal to 2 to power 4. So 2x equal to 2 to power 4. If a over n equal to a over m, so according to the properties of the exponent or the property of the exponential function n equal to m is same as this, so x equal to 4. So the answer of this question is 4. Okay, number 20, factorize completely 2m plus 3p minus 8km minus 12kp. So this is a like term, right? This and this. So I'm rearrange 2m minus 8km plus with 3p minus 12kp. So I put the bracket. It says okay, and I don't need to change like the operator because like the plus, right? So I bring 2m, it will be 1, right? Minus 4k plus with I bring 3p out, it's 1 minus 4k. So it will be 2m plus 3p times with 1 minus 4k. This is the answer. 2m plus 3p times with 1 minus 4k. And this one, look at it, the term, okay, factorize fully, we need to find like what they have the same, right? So this and this. 5 equal to x squared minus 4y squared, right? So this one is the difference of 2 square. What is difference of 2 square? Difference of 2 square we write in terms of a squared minus b squared equal to a minus b times with a plus b. So it's 5 times with x squared minus 2y, all of them square. So it will be 5x minus 2y, so and x plus 2y. So 5x minus 2y and then x plus 2y. Number 21. In terms of the sequence, an squared plus bm minus 4. So what they said the first term is minus 3 and the second term is 2. Find the value of a and b. Okay, the first term is we substitute n by 1. So it's a times 1 squared plus b times 1 minus 4. So equal to minus 3, right? Because this is the first term is minus 3. So it will be a plus b minus 4 equal to minus 3. So a plus b and rearrange equal to 1. So now I got first equation. So the next sentence, what they said, the second term is equal to 2. So if n equal to 2, we substitute n by 2. So a 2 squared plus b 2 minus 4 equal to 2. So it's 4a plus with 2b equal to 6, right? So look at it, I mean 2 of 2a plus b equal to 6. So 2a plus b equal to 6 over 2 is 3. So this is a simultaneous equation. This is the first equation and second equation. So we will subtract, right? So the second equation subtract by the first equation. So 2a minus b subtract with a plus b equal to 3 minus 1. So 2a minus b minus a plus b equal to 2. So look at it, we can cancel this. So a equal to 2. And then we will substitute a to find b in this one or this one. So if a plus b equal to 1, so if a is 2, so find b. So a plus b equal to 1, so 2 plus b equal to 1. So b equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So the answer a equal to 2 and b is minus 1. Number 22 is a vector. Okay. One minute. Okay. Number 22, OA is x. This one is x and OB is y. This is a vector. So they said OD is 3 over 7x plus 4 over 7y to calculate a ratio of AD and BD. So look, OA. What is OD? We want to find this part. So OD equal to OA plus AD, right? So what does it mean? It means OD minus OA equal to AD, right? So look at it. What is OD? Look at it, they give you the value of OD. So OD is 3 over 7x plus 4 over 7y and subtract with OA. OA is x, right? And subtract with x equal to AD. So we simplify. We got minus 4 over 7x plus 4 over 7y, right? So it will be minus 4 over 7 times x it will be 4 over 7 minus x plus y equal to AD, right? So 4 over 7 minus x plus y equal to AD, the vector AD. But look, what we want to find, okay? Look at it, we want to find A to B first. Okay, so AB, vector AB is minus x plus y, right? Here, right? And here, why is this minus? Because we opposite, right? We the directions of A to B, we need to go like opposite direction with the vector x, right? It will be minus. So it's 4 over 7 of, look at it, this one is x minus y, right? So of AB equal to AD. So what does it mean? It means this one is AB is minus x plus y, right? So AB is 4 over 7 AB. So what it means, the ratio of this one is 4 and the total is 7, so this part is 3. So it's 4 and 3. So the last question, number 23. The diagram shows the solid matter shape made from cones and the hemisphere, both with radius 6.2 centimeters. The total surface area of the solid shape is 600 centimeters square. So they ask you to find the salient height, or this part of the cone. So they give you the surface area A of the shape of the sphere with the radius r. It's A equal to 4 pi r squared. So the curved surface area A of a cone with the radius and the slant height L is A equal to pi r L. So, okay, so the total surface area, right? Look at it, it's hemisphere, so it's a half of this one, right? Isn't it? It's a half of this one. So the hemisphere is 2 pi r square, right? So it will be 2 surface area equal to 2 pi r square plus width pi rl. So the surface area is at 600, right? 2 pi r square. R, what is r? Plus pi rl. So look at it, we can bring pi r, right? Okay, we will substitute 2 pi, what is r, is 6.2 square plus with pi r is 6.2 and time with l. We want to find what is the slant height is l. So I'm rearrange l equal to 600, subtract with 2 pi 6.2 square and over 6.2 pi. So the answer is, okay, after calculate 2 pi 6.2 square over pi times 6.2, it will be 18.4 centimeter. This is the answer for the last question. Okay, now we finish like the paper 222, May June 2022 already. So please waiting for like the next video from Pals. Thank you for watching today. See you. Goodbye.